Hello everyone, today we will have a class about passive and active voice. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين. الحصة اليوم ستكون حول الباسيف والأكتيف فويس المبني للمعلوم والمبني للمجهول. سنرى استعماله في جميع الأزمنة في اللغة الإنجليزية. نعم، الاستعمالات في اللغة الإنجليزية وخصوصا الأزمنة مثل present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous simple past جميع أنواعه والfuture بجميع أنواعه. We'll see the passive and active with all the tenses. Okay, from the present simple and present perfect and present perfect continuous to past simple. Okay, please let's begin our lesson. Pay attention with me here. Active, this sentence. Leonardo da Vinci. Look at this sentence. Leonardo da Vinci painted Mona Lisa. Leonardo da Vinci painted Mona Lisa. Look at Leonardo da Vinci is a subject, okay? So, Leonardo da Vinci is a subject. Okay? Painted is a verb. Look at painted is a verb. Is it in the present? No. Is it in the past simple? Past simple because we have ed. Mona Lisa is an object. So the active voice, active is what? Active is subject plus verb plus object. So let's convert this sentence into passive. هيا لنحول هذه الجملة اللي مبنية المعلوم إلى المبني للمجهول. نبدأ بموناليزا. موناليزا is an object. Okay? Mona Lisa. So, Mona Lisa. Okay. Verb. So, Mona Lisa here. We verb here. Okay. So, for the verb هنا في الفعل كنحاولوا ندير واحد الإضافة واحد addition. So we add verb to be. ضروري يكون verb to be plus past participle. This is the rule. So plus object plus to be plus past participle. Okay? Plus what? Plus object. So this is the rule of the passive. Let's work it. So, Mona Lisa painted. Painted is in the past simple. So, to be will be in the past simple. إذا كان painted هذا الverb هذا في past simple يعني to be خصو يكون في past simple. سندير Mona Lisa was painted. Painted is in the past simple and past participle in the same time. Was painted. Okay? By who? By Leonardo. By Leonardo da Vinci. So Mona Lisa, object, okay, plus verb to be plus past participle of the verb was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. I will give you another example. So number two. For example, Ali writes a letter. So Ali is a subject, writes is a verb, a letter is an object. Okay? So let's convert it. A letter. هنا الverb هنا فين مصرف for present simple. سي تو بي هيكون في present simple. نقول هنا a letter is past participle verb write is wrote written. We have to know the irregular verbs. خصنا نحفظوا irregular verb. نديروا a letter is written. The passive is correct. إلا كان passive هي تل هنايا الرسالة كتبت. تل هنايا فهو صحيح. إلا بغيت نزيد هذا نزيدها. Is no problem. By Ali. Again. Ali writes a letter. Ali هو subject, writes verb, a letter object. So a letter, okay, object is written. verb to be plus past participle. writes كاين مصرف في الverb في present to be يكون في present. so and write past participle في the write هو written يكون plus past participle. so definition تاع الباسيف والactive definition ديالو definition اوكي بأن الactive active is what? subject plus verb plus object, and the passive is what? is object plus verb to be okay plus subject, and the doer of the action is not important. والفاعل ديال الاكسيون ديال الحدث ولا ديال ديك الفعل غير مهم. so let's discover these sentences with different sentences. okay, we have the same sentence but different in the tense. نفس الجملة ولكن مختلفة فاش في الصرف ديالها. okay, so نشوفوا هنا tourist visits Paris. okay, tourist subject in the plural, visit subject, this is subject, visit verb, Paris is an object. okay, so we start with Paris. Visit is in the present, so Paris is past participle of visit is visited. Paris is visited by who? By tourists. very good. Sentence number two. So this is the present simple. okay, so this is present simple. okay, number two, tourists are visiting Paris. Tourists are visiting. Where is the verb? Verb is are visiting. Visiting is a present continuous, so this is a present continuous. so Paris object, Paris are visiting. We say Paris is, because Paris is a singular. is we take the ing كناخدو هذا ing وكنزيدو البي being visited. so verb to be plus past participle by tourists. okay, by tourists. number three, sentence number three. okay, tourists visited Paris. look at here, visited is in the past simple. we say Paris was visited by tourists. okay, sentence number four, tourists were visiting Paris. this is past simple. sentence number four, tourists were visiting Paris. فين هو الverb هنايا؟ الverb هو were visiting and it past continuous. so and you Paris like present continuous. Paris was, because we have Paris just singular. okay, pay attention to singular and plural. ردوا معايا البال ديما المفرد والجمع. يعني Paris was and it was what? Paris was being visited. okay, 5, tourists have visited Paris. Where is the verb? Verb have visited. If you can have visited, what do we mean by have visited? What? present perfect. so present perfect. so we see Paris has been visited by tourists. okay, good. number six, sentence number six, tourists had visited Paris. okay, we say Paris. where is the verb here? Verb is had visited, past perfect. we say Paris had been visited by tourists. okay, sentence number seven, the last sentence. so this is past perfect. okay, sentence number seven, tourists will visit Paris. future simple. where is the verb here? Is will visit. so Paris will be visited. I think it's simple, not very complicated, but we see it with different sentences in the exercise or the practice in the next video, inshallah, part number 2. So, number 8, tourists should visit Paris. We say Paris should, it's a modal verb, should be visited, should be visited by tourists. Okay, tourists, number 9, the last sentence, tourists are going to visit Paris. This is the future, another kind of future simple, okay, be going to. So we say to visit Paris is going, okay, to be visited by tourists. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. This is the part number 1 of the passive and active. شكرا لمشاهدة هذا الفيديو. هذا الجزء الأول من الباسيف والأكتيف، المبنيين المعلوم والمبنيين المجهول. إن شاء الله exercise active and passive next. إن شاء الله next class we will see more exercise and some exceptions in the passive and active. شكرا لكم جزيلا and thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and make your comment. Okay, لا تنسوا بأنكم تسجلوا في القناة وبأنكم تديروا sharing، يعني البارطاجي للقناة باش توصل أكبر عدد ويستفيد أكبر عدد من الجمهور. شكرا جزيلا لكم، بكم باش غادي نكبروا إن شاء الله. Take care and see you in the next part of the passive and active. Thank you very much.